Good boy, you found her.
Limelight. Hey, Madeline. Hi. Ah. Oh, Madeline. Oh, my God. That is one nasty little bird. Hi. Limelight and Chris and Puppy. Took my hand off. Silly goose. Limelight. You baby girl. Crazy Chris. Puppy. Hi, Puppy. Yeah. Chris. This is Chris. This is Papito. Peppy for short. Or Poppy. Chris makes lots of noise, and Poppy, well, Poppy's handsome. Hi there. Somebody wanted me to make a video, so here's a video for today of my budgies. Starring Papito, who doesn't, whoa, doesn't like to be handled. Not usually. There's Limelight and Chris. Shadow barking in the background. Here we have Baba, Vest, and Gump. Gump is a gigantic budgie. Puppy! Papito! Come here, baby bird. Hi!